Kind speech. The second aspect related to good companionship in marriage is one's speech. As one's intention is an inner aspect of good companionship, good speech is the outer aspect of good companionship. Both husband and wife should fear Allah, the Exalted, in respect to their speech to one another. A marriage cannot succeed without this quality. The majority of divorces occur because of a lack of control over one's speech. A person's uttered words cannot be taken back, so it is important for married couples to think before speaking, as words can sometimes cause more lasting pain than physical actions. They should act on the all-encompassing and far-reaching Hadith of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Sahih Muslim, number 176. It advises that a person should either speak good words or remain silent. Chapter 33 Al-Ahzab, verse 70.
O you who have believed, fear Allah and speak words of appropriate justice.
Good words benefit a married couple in this world and the next. Whereas, evil words will not only adversely affect their marriage, but it will lead to evil in the next world. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once warned in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2314, that it only takes a single evil word to cause a person to plummet into hell on Judgment Day. Kind speech must be used when a married couple call each other. It is important that they only refer to each other in a kind manner. Even though joking while sticking to the truth is not unlawful in Islam, it is best for a married couple not to give each other bad nicknames. Even though the couple may see it as a joke, but a time will certainly come when one of them is not in a joking mood, and calling them this nickname at this time will only anger them. So it is best to always refer to each other in a kind way, while maintaining modesty, especially in front of others. Addressing each other in a sarcastic or mocking way only leads to enmity. With time, this enmity may grow until it becomes a reason for arguments and even divorce. It is human nature to react to people in a similar way to how they are treated. If one shows kindness when speaking to others, they will generally find that others converse with them in a kind manner also. This applies even more so for married couples. Kindness in speech should also be used when a married couple requests something from one another. A husband should not request something in a commanding way, so that his wife feels like she's more of a servant than a wife. It is commonly witnessed that when one requests something in a kind manner, not only is there a greater chance of obtaining it, but the other person will be more happier to fulfill their need than if they requested something in a harsh and commanding way. The wife should also request things in a kind way, without overburdening her husband, or without being too demanding, especially when the thing is not a necessity. A wife will more likely get what she requests if she asks in a kind manner, instead of belittling her husband and questioning his feelings towards her when he hesitates to fulfill her request right away. Neither spouse should get angry and utter harsh words if their requests are not fulfilled. Sometimes a bit of time is needed before a person gives in to a request. They should never bring up the past cases where their request was not fulfilled. Nor should they claim that their spouse does not care about them. This only leads to arguments and will only put the spouse further away from what they requested. It is important to note, in order to avoid arguments and strain on the marriage, neither spouse should request too many unnecessary things from their spouse. This attitude can become burdensome, as the husband may feel as if he is nothing more than a cash machine for his wife. And a wife may believe she is nothing more than a servant in her husband's house. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.